It's lesson 3. Deryck teaches Alteryx. Hey, what would happen if I saw a magazine article and the magazine article had summarized the best and the worst watches that were sold over a period of time? Let's take, for example, this fictitious magazine article. What were the best reviewed watches of 2017? That's kind of interesting. I wonder how that compares to the cash flow, the revenue that I've received from my website for the time that I've analyzed for the 2 weeks in February. How would that compare? So if you recall, we did an analysis. We had a bar graph before. I've removed it, but basically this is the data here that was in the bar graph. And if you notice that it's actually product C that had the highest cash flow for the 2 weeks in February. How would this compare, or how does this compare to the most popular watches in all of 2017 for that magazine article? We need to have one chart where I can compare my revenue, my cash flow, versus that magazine article. So what we can do is we can import the data and then merge the data into one table. So let's go back to in and out, add another input object tool, and then import the reviews, the ratings. Go back to prepare. We're going to try the auto field again, and then a select tool in order to make sure that the data is in the right formats. There is the tool here, so I've got the ratings here. My chart also has the unit price. I can remove the unit price if I want to. And run it. Okay. It's still there actually, but that's alright. We can remove it later. So what I want to do is I want to do a join. Before I do that, I'm just going to situate my objects in my flowchart. Oops, too far. So that they're closer together. Then I am going to join using the join tool. Let's join this on the left, join this on the right. It says no fields or a different number of fields are selected. So I want to merge or join according to the products. Products A to B, A to G I should say. And then I'm going to remove the unit price here. I don't want it to show up in my ending table. We're going to try and run it, see what happens. We've got so now we have a table here comparing cash flow versus the ratings of each of these watch models by percent. So the watch model here is duplicated. What I can do is I can adjust it by putting watch model at the top and removing product purchased and then running this again. And there you go. So we can now compare revenue by my website according to the ratings by this magazine article. You can see here that my best-selling watch, Model C, is actually only rated 50% according to the magazine. But the best rated watch here has a lower revenue. So I'm attracting different customers with different preferences than according to what's in this watch magazine. It's possible that in 2017 customers had a different preference of watches, or there is an ongoing trend in 2018 that's different than 2017. And that's the power of using Alteryx to analyze data and comparing different data factors to find out where your products are becoming less or more popular. I hope you enjoyed my tutorials about Alteryx. I hope you have a wonderful day.